How do you make the number 7 even without addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Drop the S. Can you write down 8 eighths so that they add up to 1000? $888 plus 88 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 1000. Take two numbers, such that the square of the first, plus the square of the second, shall equal 8. While the first, plus the product of the first and second, shall equal 6. What are the two numbers? 2 and 2. How many sides does a circle have? 2. The inside and the outside. How many times can you subtract the number 5 from 25? Once. Because after you subtract it's not 25 anymore. I am 4 times as old as my daughter. In 20 years' time I shall be twice as old as her. How old are we now? I am 40 and my daughter is 10. There is a clothing store in Bartlesville. The owner has devised his own method of pricing items. A vest costs $20, socks cost $25, a tie costs $15 and a blouse costs $30. Using the method, how much would a pair of underwear cost? $45. The pricing method consists of charging $5 for each letter required to spell the item. Lily is a lily-pad in a small pond. Lily doubles her size each day. On the 20th day she covers the whole pond. On what day was Lily half the size of the pond? Day 19. It's not 10 because on day 20 she doubled from day 19, so 19 must be half the size of the pond. If a boy blows 18 bubbles, then pops 6, eats 7 and then he pops 5 and blows 1. How many are left? 1. What two whole, positive numbers that have a 1-digit answer when multiplied and a 2-digit answer when added? 1 and 9. 81x 9 equals 801. What must you do to make this equation true? Turn it upside down. 108 equals 6x18. The ages of a father and son add up to 66. The father's age is the son's age reversed. How old could they be? 3 possible solutions. (51 and 15). 42 and 24. 60 and 06. How can you make the following equation true by drawing only one straight line? 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 550. Can you figure it out? Draw a line on the first plus sign that turns it into a 4. The equation then becomes true. 545 plus 5 equals 550. You could also change the equal symbol to a crossed out equal symbol, which means not equal to. How old is your son? Asked a man to his neighbor. My son is 5 times as old as my daughter, and my wife is 5 times as old as my son. I'm twice as old as my wife, whereas my grandmother, who is celebrating her 81st birthday, is as old as all of us put together. How old is the man's son? Five. How much will a 38 degrees angle measure when looked at under a microscope that magnifies 10 times? It will still be 38 degrees. I am a 3-digit number. My tens digit is 5 more than my ones digit. My hundreds digit is 8 less than my tens digit. What number am I? Number 194. If you're 8 feet away from a door and with each move you advance half the distance to the door, how many moves will it take to reach the door? Infinity. Technically you will never reach the door, as you can only move half the distance, no matter how small. A sphere has 3, a circle has 2, and a point has 0. What is it? Dimensions. If 4 plus 2 equals 26, 8 plus 1 equals 79, and 6 plus 5 equals 111, then, what is 7 plus 3? 410.4 plus 2 equals 26 is because 4-2 equals 2 and 4 plus 2 equals 6, so it is 26. Therefore, 7-3 equals 4 and 7 plus 3 equals 10, 410. In a stable there are men and horses. In all, there are 22 heads and 72 feet. How many men and how many horses are in the stable? 14 horses and 8 men. 14x4 plus 8x2 equals 72 feet.